We are going to do a quick walkthrough of a Diehl 75 straight line ripsaw. This machine has a beautiful patina on the tables. In the pictures it looks like rust, but it's actually a patina just from age. The chain on this machine is in good condition. It does have a 3 horsepower feed motor. That's going to be capable of 30, 50, 75, and 120 feet per minute. The arbor motor is 15 horsepower. 220 for 40 volt, currently wired for 220 volt 3-phase operation. Up top, we do have a built-in oiler. We're going to go ahead and power up the machine real fast. That 15 horsepower motor can accommodate 14, 16, or 18-inch blades. 4-inch step per cut. We're going to turn the feed on the lowest speed, which is approximately 30 feet per minute. Your second speed is going to be 50 feet per minute. The third is going to be 75 feet per minute. And finally, your fourth speed is going to be 120 feet per minute. I'm going to turn that back down to a 2. We'll come in here, adjust that fence to rip a strip.